We're here at Colchester Pond. This is a 3-mile hike. Hiking is a really great way to get your outside time. Looks like mud season is starting.
Do you see how this tree has 2 trunks? One time it was one big tree and they cut it down and then 2 new ones grew out of it.
It's like it had a baby.
It had 2 babies.
Sometimes you'll see big roots sticking out of the ground. This is called the drip line. When you look up at the top of the tree to see how long the branches are there, that's how long they're going to be in the ground. And when they stick out like this, it's sometimes dangerous when you're not in the woods because people will cut them with the lawnmower, which can then harm and sometimes kill the tree. Listen carefully. That's the sound of an owl.
You do it.
Yeah, so remember what I said about mud season?
Oh, I just got in my shoe.
This hike goes all the way around this big pond. Down by the bay. You can see we found some geese who are swimming along today. Hi, geese.